Hey, unblinded sales master Sean Callagy here, and we forgot to talk about something critically important. I think that this is one of the weirdest things in the entire world. Mona likes to stick things in people's ears and clean them out. I am not joking. So she is in Puerto Rico a little bit ago, and she's down there with a whole bunch of her amazing friends, Sandra and Richard, folks that do really cool work and met through the Tony Robbins world. Jessica's down there, Miriam, some friends of Sandra's. And so Mona calls me, she's like, oh, I'm going to clean everybody's ears out. And I'm like, you're what? And I'm like, she's like, yeah, everybody's going to really have fun. It's going to be fun. I'm like, I don't think these people are going to want you to stick things in their ears. She's like, of course they do. What were you saying? What were you saying beforehand?
Okay, so the thing is that you're not supposed to use Q-tips, okay? You're not supposed to use Q-tips. And there's this little scooper that you can take and you can scoop the people's ears out. So Sean thinks it's really weird that I think this tool is very important. I'll put the link down there because you guys should all get a scooper
Sean is not
and
alone.
not use Q-tips. They're bad for you.
Okay, and so what? So you told me, yeah, I'm going to go downstairs now.
Yes.
And you said, what
I
did you
said,
say?
okay, I love you. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to take my tool. I'm going to go downstairs and wash everybody's ears.
Yeah.
And then I went downstairs and people were not really excited about me using the scooper. And they were like, yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah, so she's like, yeah. I was like,
Nobody wanted
to
to
do this. Like, why did everybody clean their ears out? Except Miriam. And I'm like, okay, well, perhaps culturally, you and Miriam, at least, are sort of from the same part of the world. So maybe it's like some Middle Eastern rooted thing, even though you're not from the Middle East, you're from Canada, but maybe it's like a cultural genetic dynamic. Is that possible or not? Because the only two people who wanted to put things in each other's ears were you and Miriam.
Yes.
So does that
We're
work?
like clean. Clean is good.
And give me Sandra's reaction. What was Sandra's reaction?
Sandra was like, no, I'm good, thank you. No, I'm good.
And Jessica, who's you're besties and love each other, what was Jessica's reaction?
Jessica was like, no, I'll leave that for the doctor.
Yes.
That for the doctor.
So I'm like I went through a quick little poll. I'm like, one word. What do you say? So Mona wants to clean out your ears with a scooper. One word. Jessica's like, doctor. So no way. So do not let anybody, even when social distancing and Corona is over, do not let anybody put anything inside of your ears.
He meant let everybody scoop your ears so you can make sure you have clean ears and not use Q-tips.
Yes. Well, we're all
Only
blind.
Q-tips for makeup.
I don't want us to
use Q-tips.
I don't want us to be all deaf and learning to hear. So let's be careful because we're all blind.